Hi, this is Regitze from Great Marketing Agency. Avoid this mistake that a lot of advertisers make, especially beginners, and that is to not optimize for what it is that they want. And it goes first, it goes both in the campaign level and on the ad set level. I'm here in my own ad account. I'm on the campaign level, and I'll show you here. Here, that's what you optimize for. If you want leads, then optimize for leads. If you want sales, then optimize for sales. A lot of people, they think that especially if they have a new ad account, that they have to optimize for maybe traffic or engagement, because Facebook doesn't know what a sale is or what a conversion is if you never had any. And that is true. When it's a new ad account, Facebook doesn't know what a conversion is if you never had any. But you have to optimize for what it is that you want, because that's what Facebook's going to give you. Facebook is very good at knowing what action people will take. If you optimize for engagement, you'll get a lot of comments. And think about it, who is more likely to leave comments? It's people who love to leave negative comments. So you might end up with a lot of negative comments, and that's definitely not good for your business. And if you optimize for traffic, yeah, you'll get a lot of traffic, but rarely any conversions, rarely any sales. People will just go to your website or wherever you're leading them and leave again. They're not going to take any action. Facebook, like I said, Facebook is very, very good at knowing what people will do what. So you get what it is that you optimize for. And it goes later on also in the ad set level. I'll go here to the ad set level. And here, for instance, performance goals. Maximize number of conversions. But you can also choose other things. You can choose landing page views, and link clicks and other things. A lot of people think that, and that's also what Facebook says actually, that you need to have at least 50 conversions of what it is that you're optimizing for. Like, you need to have 50 sales per month in order to optimize for sales. Or they think if you don't have 50 conversions a month, then you have to go for something lower. Like if it's an e-commerce store, for instance, if you don't have 50 purchases a month, then they go maybe for the lower step, which is add to cart, or even lower, which is there's checkout, and then there's add to cart. There's first add to cart, then checkout, and then conversion. Then they may go to checkout, optimize for checkout, or initiate checkout, or they'll optimize for add to cart. But like I said, again, Facebook is really good at knowing what action most people will take. So if you optimize for initiate checkout or add to cart, then you got a lot of those. But those people will rarely actually finish the purchase, and they won't buy. It's much better to optimize for what it is that you want. Yeah, Facebook is gonna take some time to learn which people do that action. But it's much better to optimize for what it is that you want. It's just like you're training the pixel and your ad account. So train it for the thing that you want. It's going to be much better for you in the future. Think about it this way: if you want to be a professional bicycle rider, and you never did sports, you're never doing sports, but you want to be a professional bicycle rider, so you want to start to train, and then you start training by swimming. You're thinking, yeah, I'll become in better shape. Yeah, that's true. You'll become in better shape and you will become good at swimming. But then once you start to ride the bike, then you still can't ride the bike, and it's totally different muscles that you're using. So you'll still suck at riding the bike. So just start by riding the bike and accept that you're going to suck at it in the beginning, but you'll end up becoming a professional bicycle rider much faster than if you start by swimming and then riding the bike. And it's the same with your Facebook ad account. Start with the end. So start by optimizing for conversions or sales if that's what you want, or leads if that's what you want. And just accept that it takes a little bit of time in the beginning for Facebook to learn what it is that you want. Put some time and also money, allow Facebook to spend some money to learn. And it'll be much better for you in the long run. Comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with your friends and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. If you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me or my team. There's a link in the description to learn more about it. And also please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Link in the description. Take care. Bye.